Rashmi here, and welcome again with me on Health Talks. So today I'm going to talk something which everybody of us require and everybody of us want it. But the question here is, what are we doing to get it? So obviously I'm talking about something called happiness. And yes, the happiness is our birthright. So we all actually should be staying happy. But what is that we are seeing in our life and also with others' life? Obviously, most of them are unhappy. So, why is it so? It is because obviously we are not looking at life easily or easy to go. We ourselves sometimes complicate the events, whatever are happening in our life, and that is how we become unhappy. So, obviously the simple formula is, if the happiness is inversely proportional to the expectations. So if I say that, that means the more the expectations, obviously the less the happiness. And the expectations which I'm talking here is also from others and also from myself. So we need to understand that we just have control over us, over our mind. We do not have any control on others. How are they thinking, or how are they doing the actions? We don't have any control over their actions. We have only the control over myself, and that is the topic where we are already talking about me, more about me. So how can I change myself so that I'm staying happy in my life? So we all know that it is not something which we can get it from outside. It is something which is internally with us, and it depends on the attitude with which we look at the events happening in our life. So it is a simple thing, how are we looking at any event which is happening in my life, and that can only be changed through learnings or through knowledge about myself, my internal thing, and also gaining some knowledge from outside which is really which will help me to change myself, to grow myself. That is how it can be done. But what we do, we just take life for granted, and we expect more, that I should be happy. But the question, as I asked in the initial video or initial thing when we started talking, that what am I doing to change this? If I'm not satisfied with the condition currently I'm going through, I need to change. So really, we need to look at it. If I need to be happy, what is that I need to do? So I'm just sharing a simple thing or simple exercise which will help you to understand where I stand today with respect to anything. It can be with happiness, with respect to wealth, or whatever it is. It will give you an idea about where you stand today. So just an simple thing, take a pen and a paper, be with yourself for some time, and give a trigger to your brain to understand how and what are you doing currently. So just take a page and divide it into halves, and right now just write on the one part of the page that what am I doing that I should do, and in the other half write down the things which I should not do but I am doing. Okay, so this division of pages, right, take time with yourself, spend some time, because this will give you the clarity of the thing where you are going ahead in life, and what are the things which you really should avoid and which should you take up, so that you are changing your life. Because friends, only if you're changing your perspective towards life, your thing, how are you looking at the events, then only you will be able to achieve happiness in life. So that's it for my series altogether, but I'm hoping that you all stay happy, because we decide and we are the owner of our life. So take charge, take responsibility, and thank you so much for listening to me, and I really wish a happy, fantastic and healthy life for each one of you who is viewing my video. Thank you so much, and stay happy, stay smiling, and stay healthy and fit. Thank you so much.
Health Talks are daily health-related talks held at Health Education Library for People, Mumbai. India. For more information, visit www.healthlibrary.com. Subscribe to Help Talks channel. Be better informed about your health.